Question 16. Explain what are the tools used in big data? Answer. Tools used in big data includes Hadoop, Hive, Pig, Flume, Mohawk, Scoop. Question 17. Explain what is KPI, design of experiments and 80-20 rule? Answer. KPI, it stands for Key Performance Indicator. It is a metric that consists of any combination of spreadsheets, reports or charts about business process. Design of experiments, it is the initial process used to split your data, sample and setup of a data for statistical analysis. 80-20 rules, it means that 80% of your income comes from 20% of your clients. Question 18. Explain what is clustering. What are the properties for clustering algorithms? Answer. Clustering is a classification method that is applied to data. Clustering algorithm divides a data set into natural groups or clusters. Properties for clustering algorithm are hierarchical or flat, iterative, hard and soft, disjunctive. Question 19. What are some of the statistical methods that are useful for data analyst? Answer. Statistical methods that are useful for data scientists are Bayesian method, Markov process, spatial and cluster processes, rank statistics, percentile, outliers detection, imputation techniques, etc. Simplex algorithm, mathematical optimization. Question 20. What is time series analysis? Answer. Time series analysis can be done in two domains, frequency domain and the time domain. In time series analysis, the output of a particular process can be forecast by analyzing the previous data by the help of various methods like exponential smoothing, log linear regression method, etc. Question 21. Explain what is parallelogram analysis? Answer. A parallelogram analysis is the common form of spatial analysis in geography. It consists of a series of estimated autocorrelation coefficients calculated for a different spatial relationship. It can be used to construct a parallelogram for distance-based data, when the raw data is expressed as distance rather than values at individual points. Question 22. What is a hash table? Answer. In computing, a hash table is a map of keys to values. It is a data structure used to implement an associative array. It uses a hash function to compute an index into an array of slots, from which desired value can be fetched. Question 23. What are hash table collisions? How is it avoided? Answer. A hash table collision happens when two different keys hash to the same value. Two data cannot be stored in the same slot in array. To avoid hash table collision, there are many techniques. Here we list out two. Separate chaining. It uses the data structure to store multiple items that hash to the same slot. Open addressing. It searches for other slots using a second function and store item in first empty slot that is found. Question 24. Explain what is imputation. List out different types of imputation techniques. Answer. During imputation, we replace missing data with substituted values. The types of imputation techniques involved are single imputation, hot deck imputation. A missing value is imputed from a randomly selected similar record by the help of punch card. Cold deck imputation. It works same as hot deck imputation, but it is more advanced and selects donors from another dataset's mean imputation. It involves replacing missing value with the mean of that variable for all other cases. Regression imputation. It involves replacing missing value with the predicted values of a variable based on other variables. Stochastic regression. It is same as regression imputation, but it adds the average regression variance to regression imputation. Multiple imputation. Unlike single imputation, multiple imputation estimates the values multiple times. Question 25. Which imputation method is more favorable? Answer. Although single imputation is widely used, it does not reflect the uncertainty created by missing data at random. So, multiple imputation is more favorable than single imputation in case of data missing at random. Question 26. Explain what is Engram? Answer. Engram. An engram is a contiguous sequence of n items from a given sequence of text or speech. It is a type of probabilistic language model for predicting the next item in such a sequence in the form of a, n1. Question 27. Explain what is the criteria for a good data model? Answer. criteria for a good data model includes: it can be easily consumed. Large data changes in a good model should be scalable. It should provide predictable performance. A good model can adapt to changes in requirements. Question 28. Explain what is MapReduce. Answer: MapReduce is a framework to process large data sets, splitting them into subsets, processing each subset on a different server and then blending results obtained on each. Question 29. Explain what is hierarchical clustering algorithm. Answer: hierarchical clustering algorithm combines and divides existing groups, creating a hierarchical structure that showcases the order in which groups are divided or merged. Question 30. Explain what is logistic regression. Answer: logistic regression is a statistical method for examining a dataset in which there are one or more independent variables that defines an outcome.